this is the Bachmann sound value 280, and I'll have a video about it shortly. Okay, so this is the locomotive right here. It's got the let's just get it out of the box, shall we? Tell you what, I'm gonna cut. No. What I've been told is that you have to get it up a certain way. So just get that out of the way. So we got 1 year warranty. That file there. 1 year warranty. It's got Bachmann stuff. It's pretty good. At least they know that. To prove that. Here's a exploded parts diagram. We have quick start guide, which I'm going to read through. And then we have, what's this? I wonder. Oh, it's a little thing right there. It's pretty cool. Then we have a business card, I think. Yeah, it's a postcard or something. All right, so let's get to the locomotive here. Okay, a little different than everyone used to, but luckily that video by JWL 2000 LII 2000 pointed out to me this is how they come. So there's the locomotive. So anyway, I'm gonna put the phone down for just a minute. Actually, I'm just gonna pause the video for a minute. I'll be right back. All right, let's just go over the certain details of this locomotive. We got the 8 wheels, 1 wheel in front. Bachmann couplers in the front, Bachmann coupler in the back. Pennsylvania, 7748. Got really nice looking coal load. Looks pretty good, I can tell you that. But it's not going to be Pennsylvania for much longer because I'm going to re-letter it for Columbia Western. Might even change the number too, but that's the debate I will have to discuss with myself. Anyway, so, and I know it's been a while since my last video, but I decided to make a video today. So anyway, so it's a very nice locomotive. It's got the bell, whistle, it's got the headlight, it's got the nice little funnel. Not sure what they call it over here, but yeah, it's a funnel, and it looks pretty good. So I'll have to come back to this tomorrow because it's getting pretty late. But anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the sound turned on. I got the locomotive addressed to its number, and so it's going to show you some of the functions here. Horn, bell, headlight. I think the number 6 or 7 is dimmer. Yep, 7 is dimmer. I set 6 off. And 1 is bell. Long horn. Short bell. Steam release. 5 does nothing. 6 does nothing. 7 dims the headlights. 8 turns the sound off. Head back on again. 9 does nothing. 0 turns the headlights on. Then the horn. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. I had to do a railroad crossing signal there. Bell. Show you what I'm doing here. So bell. Headlight. Pretty good, if you ask me.